So now we are in the last part of our chapter, that is exercise 6.5, and this exercise 6.5 we will be seeing right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. Welcome back students to our maths class of class 7th. Right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. So this Pythagoras property, Pythagoras was a mathematician, a Greek mathematician who discovered many more things in mathematics, and many more rules, many more theorems he has given to mathematics. So he has given one of the theorem for right angle triangle, or we can say it is a property. So therefore by his name, Pythagoras property, the name has been given to this property. So this is the name of Pythagoras is the name of a mathematician. So right angle triangle, this Pythagoras property holds true for all the right angle triangles. Okay, only for right angle triangles. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Okay, say A, B and C. Now first of all we will have to see what the property is, but before going to that, first we will see what are the names of the sides given to a right angle triangle. This is the right angle, this is the 90-degree angle. The side opposite to this 90-degree angle, this side, it is called as hypotenuse. It is called as hypotenuse. The spelling may be wrong, but if you check in your textbook, it would be corrected. Okay, so this is called as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. This any one side, this and this, they are perpendicular to each other. So this is called as leg 1 and this is called as leg 2. So there are two legs and one hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. Now what the property says? The property says that the square of hypotenuse, the square of hypotenuse equals to the sum of square of the two legs of the right angle triangle. Okay, once again you will get it in written also. I am just explaining you. The square of hypotenuse equals to the sum means addition, of the squares of legs. A simple property, we just have to apply. That means this property says that hypotenuse, this is the short form I am writing, square means, suppose you take a number 2, the square of 2 means 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. This is what is meant by square. Suppose this is 5, the hypotenuse is 5. If you take the 5 square, 5 into 5, it would be 25. So this 5 square, 25, equals to the sum of the two legs square of the two legs, that is leg 1 square, sum means addition, and leg 2 square. So this is very simple. That means if you name it AC square, whatever would be the length of AC will be equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square, and done. This is what the property says. Exercise 6.5, all the sums are based on this Pythagoras property, leg 1, leg 2 and hypotenuse, or you can name them also. Now one more thing, if you see that hypotenuse is always greater than the other two sides. Okay, so whichever side is greater, that would be called as hypotenuse. Even if it is so, this property holds true for Pythagoras. Pythagoras property holds true for only right angle triangle and no other triangles. Okay, so let's move to our exercise. Okay, exercise 6.5, question number 1. The question is, PQR is a triangle right angled at P So first what we will do, we will draw a rough figure in order to get the idea that what the question says. PQR is a right angled triangle, right angled at P. So this is the right angle, and here we will give the name as P. Rest the 2 points you can give any name. So this would be Q, this would be R. Okay, so PQR, or it can be PQR also, no problem. But P should be at 90-degree angle, that is the right angle. If PQ equals to 10 centimeter, this is given already, 10 centimeters, and PR equals to 24 centimeter, PR equals to 24 centimeters. Find QR. That means we have to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so given PQ equals to 10 centimeter, that means this is leg 1, and PR equals to 24 centimeter, that means this is equals to leg 2. Okay, therefore by Pythagoras property, what the property says, that hypotenuse square, that is by the Pythagoras property, hypotenuse square equals to leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. Okay, leg 1 square plus leg 2 square. What is hypotenuse? It is QR. QR square equals to, what is leg 1? PQ. PQ square plus PR square. So as per the naming of the triangle, the sides of the triangle we have written. QR we don't know, so we have to find QR. But remember, this is square, so this equals to PQ square, that is 10 square, plus PR square, that is 24 square. Okay, so this equals to QR square, it would be like that only. QR square equals to 10 square. 10 square means 10 multiplied by 10. So this would be 100. Plus, what is 24 square? Means 24 multiplied by 24. So 24 multiplied by 24, the answer comes to 576. And you have to actually multiply and see it. What is 24 multiplied by 24? Therefore, QR square equals to 100 plus 576, it would be 676. The answer is not yet done. The answer is not yet done. This is QR square and we only require QR. Okay? So, in order to find out QR, we will have to find out the square root of 676. Okay, so QR, therefore QR equals to root of 676. Now squares and square root you are going to learn in 8th standard. Just for your not much, only for 6.5, some tips I will give you how to find out the square root. These are the techniques used in 8th standard. So now only you will have to be acquainted with it. So 676. One of the method to find out the root of 676 is, it is called as division method, and another method it is called as prime factorization method. Prime factorization means the method you use to find out HCF and LCF. So first what we will do, we will prime factorize it. 6, so divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, then 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 338. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18. 169. 169 is 13. 13 square. 13. 13s are and 13 ones are. So what we have done, we have prime factorized this. This is called as prime factorization. So I will do this all in the rough work. I will rub out this also. Okay, so what are the factors of 676? 676 equals to 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. That means we have a pair of 2 and we have a pair of 13. 2 into 2 means 2 square, multiplied by 13 into 13 means 13 square. Okay, so this can be written as 2 multiplied by 13 square. So this can be written as 2 into 13, that is 26 square. So root of 676 equals to 26. Simple. This what we have done, we have prime factorized it. Then we how we got it? We got a pair of 2 and a pair of 13. So 2 into 2 it is written as 2 square. 13 into 13 it is written as 13 square. So if you take the root, 2 square root will be only 2 when QR square is there. So suppose this is 2 square and we want to take out the root, only this 2 is gone. That means only 2 is left. So 676, therefore QR equals to 26 centimeters. And then we have found out QR. This is what we had to find. You do the rough work also. Please, so that you can remember how we have found out the square root. Next 6 7 8 questions, up to 7 8 questions, we have to find out the squares and square roots. So this is how we find out the square root. Okay, question number 2 is also somewhat same kind. Triangle ABC is a triangle right angled at C. First of all, draw a rough figure which will give you the idea. This is the right angle triangle. This is C. So this can be A, this can be B. You can interchange it, no problem. Okay. If AB equals to 25 centimeters, now hypotenuse is given 25 centimeters. And AC equals to 7 centimeter. AC equals to 7 centimeter. Find BC. What is BC? So BC is question mark. Now how to find out? Again the same thing. Given. Okay, we'll write down from the figure. A rough figure we have drawn. So given from the figure, AC equals to 7 centimeter, that is leg 1. AB equals to 25 centimeter, that is hypotenuse. Okay, that is hypotenuse. Now by Pythagoras property, since it was the first sum, just to recall what is Pythagoras property, we have written the whole property, that is leg 1 square plus leg 2 square equals to hypotenuse square. Now here no need to write directly what we are going to write. We can interchange also. AC square plus BC square, that is leg 1 square, AC square plus BC square equals to AB square. AC square plus BC square equals to AB square. Now what is AC square? That is 7 square plus what is BC that we have to find out. BC square equals to what is AB? 25 square. 7 square, that is the number multiplied by itself. 7 sevens are 49 plus BC square equals to 25 multiplied by 25. The answer comes to 625. The answer comes to 625. Now 49 transpose to that side. BC square equals to 625 minus 49. So 625 minus 49. 6, 7. So the answer comes to 576. That means BC square equals to 576. Okay, I will rub the top part again. Again the same procedure. Therefore, we have to find only BC. BC equals to square root of 576. Square root of 576. Now, again 576. If you start prime factorization, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 8s are 16. If you don't remember prime factorization, then a problem, because this is very important. Again with 2, 1s are 2, 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Is there some mistake? Let us see. Sorry. See here, 2 2s are 4, carry over 1. 2 8s are 16, again carry over 1, so 288. 2 1s are 2, 4s are 4s are. Okay, now 144, directly we can write down 12 square, but we have to do prime factorization up till end. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, again 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 36 again 2, again 36 is a perfect square, 6 6 are 36. So 2 1s are 2, 18s are 2, 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. Quite a long prime factorization. So again in the rough work we will find out, or here only we will do. This is one of the pair. So 5 root of 576 equals to, this is one of the pair. For both the pair we will write only 1 2. This is another pair multiplied by 2. This is another pair multiplied by 2, and this is one of the pair, so multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So this comes to 24. So root of 576 equals to 24. Therefore, BC equals to 24 centimeter. And then the question is done.